As a dad myself, I know how tough it can be to balance work and family life. And I'm not alone. Many dads struggle with this too. In fact, research shows that dads are increasingly taking on more childcare responsibilities, but still face pressure to excel at work. So what's going on here? In this video, we're going to dive into the scientific reasons why dads find it so hard to balance work and life. We'll explore the societal expectations, psychological factors, and even brain science that contribute to this challenge. But most importantly, we'll provide a practical solution that you can start using today. Let's start with societal expectations. We're often expected to be the breadwinner and the rock of the family all at the same time. This pressure can lead to stress, anxiety, and a never-ending sense of guilt. Studies have shown that dads who struggle with work-life balance are more likely to experience depression, anxiety, and even physical health problems. On the other hand, dads who manage to balance work and life tend to have better mental health, stronger relationships with their kids, and even longer lifespans. So how can we achieve better work-life balance as dads? Let's dive into the 5S system, a comprehensive framework that helps you prioritize, streamline, and integrate your work and family responsibilities. Step 1. Sort. Start by sorting your tasks and responsibilities into categories. Work tasks, for example, projects, meetings, emails. Family responsibilities, for example, childcare, household chores, errands. Personal goals, for example, exercise, hobbies, self-care. Long-term goals, for example, career development, financial planning. Write down each task and responsibility in its corresponding category. Step 2. Set clear goals and priorities for each category. Identify the most important tasks and responsibilities in each category. Establish clear priorities and deadlines. For example, I want to spend quality time with my family, so I'll set aside 1 hour each evening for family time. Step 3. Schedule. Schedule your tasks and responsibilities into your calendar. Use a planner, app, or tool that works for you. Block dedicated time for each task and responsibility. Leave space for flexibility and adaptability. For example, I'll schedule 8 a.m. 9 a.m. for exercise, 9 a.m. 12 p.m. for work, and 2 p.m. 4 p.m. for family time. Step 4. Sync. Sync your schedules with your family and colleagues. Share your calendar with your family and colleagues. Communicate your availability and boundaries. Set reminders and notifications to stay on track. For example, I'll share my calendar with my partner and kids so we can coordinate our schedules. Step 5. Simplify. Simplify your tasks and responsibilities by eliminating non-essential tasks, delegating tasks to others when possible, automating repetitive tasks. For example, I'll automate my bill payments and delegate household chores to my family members. By following the 5S system, you can create a comprehensive framework for managing your work and family responsibilities. This system helps you prioritize, streamline, and integrate your tasks and responsibilities, leading to better work-life balance and increased productivity. In conclusion, achieving work-life balance as a dad is tough, but it's not impossible. By recognizing the scientific reasons behind this challenge and using the 5S system, we can start to make changes and prioritize our well-being. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on this topic.